going to do a marketing demo. I'm going to show you is something that would take 4 hours. We're going to do this. We're going to do SEO keyword research, which means we're going to pick the best keyword for a landing page, right? Then we're going to write this landing page as if we were the client. And then we're going to turn this landing page into a blog post and then a LinkedIn or an expo. I'm going to show you this with one of my clients, which is a crypto loan company. My client is Meso. I have a Meso marketer that you can see here. And this knows everything about Meso. I'm going to first use my AI keyword research. For those who are not familiar, in SEO, we look for the best keyword because we want to rank for something on Google or LLMs. In this case, my client does Bitcoin loans. That's their main keyword. I want to know if this is the right keyword. If I don't do that, I have to go to an SEO platform like this. And I am an SEO consultant, so I see data and colors all the time. That is not a problem for me. The problem is when I call a writer, because creative people don't like numbers. I do Bitcoin loans. Here, it will bring me all of this monstrosity of data. And if you have never seen this, it's overwhelming. And you're not going to be able to write that page in 4 hours. Now, we're going to do it my way. This bot is connected through an API with SEO data. It's going to bring the actual data. It's not going to hallucinate. It's going to take the data from the SEO platform, and it's going to show us here. I'm going to say, with this conversation starter, help me with keyword research. We said Bitcoin loans. It asks us for 5 parameters. That's how SEO works. We have google.com, United States, USD, and I want a commercial landing page. Now, I'm going to connect, as you saw on the top, to my API. I'm going to bring data from that platform. And it's going to tell me all of the competitors, all of the keyword suggestions with monthly search volume, CPC, competition, and let's say Bitcoin loans, this is my keyword, and this is what I want to write about. Great. We have confirmation that this is the best possible keyword for me. Interpretation guidance, it gives me an SEO title and a meta description. This is great. The next stage would be to write this page. We know what the keyword is. The client does that, Bitcoin loans. Let's write this page. We're going to call Meso Marketer, because generic ChatGPT is going to write about Bitcoin loans in general, and I wanted to write like my client. So read the information before and write a landing page about Bitcoin loans. Meso. Boom. So now we can see the screen. You can see that this one is working, right? We can see here that it called the Meso Marketer. Cool. Borrow against your Bitcoin. Keep your Bitcoin. Get liquidity. And how do we know that it's writing like Meso? Because it's mentioning some components of this company, like this MSUD, which is cryptocurrency, a stable coin that they issued. Now it's telling me that the APR is 1%. It's true. And it's telling me how it works and all of the advantages, right? It's also telling me, read the blog. And I click here, it's going to take me to the blog. It knows everything about Meso. I think it's pretty good. Evidently, this has to be reviewed by a writer, right? It's not that we're going to just post this directly. But now we have something that 45 seconds ago was a blank space. Generally, in marketing, we need many pieces of content, not just this, right? So Meso has 2 writers, Joey and Bash. Joey is like really punchy, crypto bro, and Bash is really academical. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to tell it to rewrite it like Bash, right? And I'm going to call my Bash bot. And I said, rewrite the landing page as blog post by Bash. Now here we have our blog post. And this blog post looks quite different from the landing page. We have a longer paragraph. The language has changed a lot, like the legacy trap, traditional liquidity. These are all words that Bash loves to use. It doesn't feel like a landing page anymore. Let's see that if this is AI. Okay, this is 18% AI. Fair enough. Fair enough. But it's 100% AI. So we can even trick the content detectors. And then we said that we were going to repurpose it as a tweet X. Read the blog before and produce an X thread. Now we see that in 10 minutes, we did quite a lot.